Hey, what's up, you all? It's your buddy Tech Boy, and I'm back with another video. And in this video, what I'm gonna do is I am gonna open this Logitech subwoofer, and I'm gonna see what's inside of it. And I'm just gonna open this subwoofer, not the speaker, the channel. This is the Z337 model from Logitech 2.1 home theater. As you've seen this before, and behind my back there is a channel. You can see that. Well, there is just 3-inch driver in there. I'm not going to open it because if I am going to open it, I'm going to remove the front that circle cover, and that's going to be make some work on that, and it will look ugly. This is a new one, so I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to open this subwoofer, and I'm going to see what's inside. Has the circuit board and the speaker driver. The magnet is from behind, so let's get started. Okay, so this is the kit. The whole amplifier module, and this is the power IC, I think, for 2.1 amp, and this is the Bluetooth module, I think, and this wire is for the Bluetooth signal or something like that. I think it's connected inside somewhere, so I cannot pull this kit out more. So, and there inside, if you can see, that's the power supply SMPS, and that's the driver. It's a 5-inch driver and pretty good. So that's it, guys. I'm not gonna mess up with this kit or pull it out because it's a new one and it's still in company warranty, so I'm not gonna mess with it. And that's it. I just wanted to show you, and also I wanted to see myself that inside of this Logitech home theater, how is the kit and everything now. So that's it. That's the potentiometer for the subwoofer. There it is. Okay, there it is, and rest of the connections are connected to the control pod using this wire. So that's it, guys, and hope you like the video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.